Chapter 11, Sloka 51. Arjuna Uvacha, Arjuna Uvacha, Arjuna Uvacha, Drishtvedam Manushan Rupam, Drishtvedam Manushan Rupam, Drishtvedam Manushan Rupam, Tava Saumyan Janardana, Tava Saumyan Janardana, Tava Saumyan Janardana, Arjuna Uvacha, Drishtvedam Manushan Rupam, 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 Tava Saumyan Janardana, Idanimasmi Samvrittah, Idanimasmi Samvrittah, Idanimasmi Samvrittah, Sacheta Prakritim Gatah, Sacheta Prakritim Gatah, Sacheta Prakritim Gatah, Idanimasmi Samvrittah, 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 Sacheta Prakritim Gatah. Arjuna Uvacha, Drishtvedam Manushan Rupam, Tava Saumyan Janardana, Idanimasmi Samvrittah, Sacheta Prakritim Gatah.
Please like and share this video because you could be instrumental in helping someone around the world recite the Srimad Bhagavad Gita, thereby helping them to have a life of unending opulence, victory and prosperity. This is mentioned in chapter 18, Sloka 78. Yes, don't forget to buy my book, Leadership Can Be Child's Play. Namaste.